What's up guys, Mr. Android here, and today I will show you how you can get rid of any WhatsApp groups. And by using this amazing trick, you can make sure that nobody adds you to their group without your permission. So with that being said, hit that like button and let's get started. So the first thing first, you need to go to the Play Store and update your WhatsApp. Once you've done that, just open your WhatsApp and go to settings, open your account and then tap on privacy. Here if you scroll down, you will find an option called groups. If you click on that, it will be selected to everyone by default, which means that anyone can add you to their group without your permission. If you want, you can select it to my contacts, so that only your contacts can add you to their groups. And if you select nobody, then no one will be able to add you to their groups without your permission. If they want to add you, then they need to send you a private message asking your permission. So that's pretty much it guys. It is an amazing feature and I will definitely recommend you to start using it. And if you guys like the video, then be sure to hit that like button and also do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will catch you guys in the next one.